before we get started, Alexa, play Wet Farts. It's the good stuff. Gotta have it. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you enjoyed that funny little thing there. If you have one of those devices, hope you enjoyed the sounds that it made. I'm wondering if you even knew that it would do that. I don't know, sorry, that's hilarious. I'm just trying to keep this channel fun and lively. But yes, Scorched RC finally released the fender liners for the Max Slash. Now, to me, this is the must-have item. I keep hearing people say the anti-sway bars, they call them sway bars. They don't call it sway, they anti-sway, take away sway. So it's anti-sway bars is the must-have item. It doesn't matter how many videos I have on the tuning I did to the Max Slash with no anti-sway bars and show how good it can actually handle with a little tuning. People still say it's the must-have. But sorry, Traxxas wants too much money for those things. But to me, this is going to be the must-have. Now, I do have to install it. We're going to have to take it out and run it before I can say beyond a shadow of a doubt if this truly is the must-have item. Now, I did pay for this with my own money, so I will give you a full-on, honest review of these items. But you guys know that even if they provide it to me, I'd still give you an honest review. But I just, full transparency, I bought these. This wasn't given to me or anything like that. I bought them just because anybody that has an RC where the tires are under the body, no, they just collect dirt. It's a horrible thing, and I really wish the manufacturers would do this, provide something like this. But this is, you know, why we got the aftermarket to make things good like that. That's why like Garage Life RC exists, makes our products better, and Scorched RC as well. So I'm going to go ahead and get this installed. We're going to go out to a nice little sandy spot, run it. I have high hopes for these things because they make these for the Mojave as well, and those worked really well. The only problem with these things is it does take a bit of time to install. You do have to trim out all this extra plastic. As you can see, this is one big piece, so we have to cut this out. I really wish this was like already done, ready to bolt on, because I really don't want to sit here and have to cut all this stuff. But it is what it is. I guess it keeps costs down to mold just one piece. Yeah, they do give you some instructions here, or you can even go to the Scorched YouTube page, and he's got a pretty good video on how to do this. So let's go ahead and get this thing installed, and I'll see you at, I'll see you at the bash spot, and I'll show you what they look like there. See you. All right, everyone, here it is. I modified the setup a little bit. I found I couldn't really get this body off with the way this was set up. Maybe it was me, I don't know. But I basically cut the fenders right here. This thing would have went over the fender. Now, granted, it was supposed to clear here, but the way this thing came, it was supposed to kind of join right here. So I found this thing is actually thick enough. It didn't need it. And actually, look, I gave myself a blister cutting this with these little scissors because my hands are kind of large. Those little scissors don't fit very well. But I just found, for me, this works for me, that I just went ahead and cut the piece off that went in between here. Now I put the duct tape here, not to hold it, but just to, there's a bit of a gap here. So I just wanted to limit how much dirt maybe would get past that. But other than that, it went well. It's very hard to cut, but these things are super, super strong. I just, like I said, I didn't like the way it clipped in. It seemed like it was just keeping it from pushing down, and that it was locking maybe on the actual plastic for the fenders versus this. So that's me. What do I know? So here we go again. Like I said, I normally don't do this, but this one thing that I really like with Traxxas is how fast I can get these things up and running. Boom, boom. There we go. Get everything plugged in. And then, there we go. She is ready to rock and roll. Ooh. Now I just want to show one thing here. Maybe y'all can see it. I don't have the anti-sway bars. Mentioned before, I think. I've heard from many people. Ooh, the anti-sway bar. It's a must-have. It's a must-have. Personally, to me, I really don't think these RC car anti-sway bars do much. Oh, well, we're gonna turn the TQI up a little bit. I really don't think they do that much. So, look at the body roll now on this. It's not like leaning and going all over the place to where I think an anti-sway bar, even if they did work on these things, would matter. I know I'm gonna get all kinds of they work. I'm not convinced. If you look at a real anti-sway bar on a car, it is absolutely massive. It is a thick piece of steel that is not easily tweaked, like this little piece of wire that they put on these things. Woo! All right, on other news here, jeez. So I got a text from RC Guy Garage the other day. Asked me if I was aware of some like glitching in my videos, and I hadn't noticed it because it is not in the camera files or in my rendered video. So when I put it in my editing software and I render it to upload it to YouTube, I'm not seeing this glitch. It's only on the actual upload to YouTube, and I'm not sure what's going on. So basically, like, you'll see the vehicle here, it'll pause for a second, and next thing it's jumping. It only seems to do it like later on in the video. So I don't know what the issue is, but I'm out here today filming 2 videos. I got the Max Slash here, and then I did some work on the Blitzkrieg, so I'm going to go ahead and run the Blitzkrieg after this. So for this video, I'm using the camera I really like here, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. I really like this thing because, you know, matter of fact, I totally forgot to change my framing here. That's what Guy always get on to me about, my framing. So I like this because it has this watch that I can check out my preview. So let's see here. So yeah, I could check out the preview of this. I also like that this one I can add the DJI mic. GoPro, you have to have like the whole media mod and all this nonsense to add a freaking mic. It's stupid. And I tell you what, man, when you got these things strapped on your forehead, that's a lot of damn extra weight to have, and I don't want to do that. So I really like this setup, but oh no, So yeah, I like the preview screen. I like the I can use the mic. I like the setup. But I don't know. I don't think it's the camera. I just don't see how it can be after the fact. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this camera, and I'm going to upload this with my other laptop. It's a bit newer of a system, so maybe we'll see how that works. And then I'm going to film the Blitzkrieg with the good old GoPro. Now see, Guy, he uses those old GoPros, the 7, maybe the 8. Somewhere after that time frame, like what do I got? I think this is the 11. I think this is the Hero 11. You can use the GoPro app to look at what you're filming with your cell phone. But now, like I said, somewhere after the 7 or 8, something like that. Basically what I'm saying, for his, like whatever he has, like I know he has the 7, I think he's got the 8. You could actually watch the preview when you're recording. You can look at the phone, watch recording. Mine, this one, the 11, I can only frame the shot, and then once I hit record, it's no longer there. So it sucks because, like, when you're on the car and you're recording, you need it kind of aimed down because you're looking down. But then when you get out here driving, you need the camera aimed up. And what are you going to, you actually literally have to stop what you're doing and check. So, I know somebody's going to say, oh, look, you should set the sway bars now. Uh-oh. No way. That's what happened. How the hell? Well, damn, I think that might just be a day then, because I'm pretty sure I'm not going to find that damn nut. Oh, man. No wonder it was acting crazy. The freaking wheel was probably loose. That doesn't make... I've had this thing for... Oh, man, and the black spacer's missing, too. Oh, man. Oh. Well, damn, this sucks. Maybe I should leave the tire right where I found it so I know. Let's just leave that there for now. Get this stupid stick out of the damn way. I keep stepping on this thing. Let me spend a minute, try to find this, and I'll check back in with you. Ooh, this might be my lucky day. I actually had a nut just laying in my bag. I keep 2 of the, like, the normal size, like, what are they, 17 millimeter hexes? Of course, that's... No, it ain't gonna fit, is it? Ah, not my lucky day. I cannot find that nut. I swear I need to keep that magnet in my car. A little thing I got from Harbor Freight that's on wheels. You can drag around and find stuff. Damn. Well, I was hoping. Oh well. Well, I think we ran it long enough we could see. Oh, wow. World of difference. Oh, that's right, Traxxas. Must unplug everything. Guys, that is way, way cleaner. Is there some stuff in here? Yeah, absolutely. It's absolutely. But huge difference. Huge difference in what would have normally been in here. Absolutely. I could say beyond a shadow of a doubt, 100% recommend getting these scorched fender liners for the Max Slash. I said I'm gonna have to trim this whole thing off right here because it's gonna scratch the crap out of that shock. But like I said, I did have to modify it. I didn't find the way that this thing went over worked very well for me. Maybe I did something wrong. Your results may vary, but this is just what I did to go ahead and make this work by not having the pieces go up and over. So just take it for what it is. That's what I did. Doesn't mean that you have to, or maybe you want to, or you should. I don't know. But well, it always sucks when your car goes down. I guess it's one other thing I'll have to throw in the bag is a couple of these wheel nuts here. And then I think I even need I'm gonna have to carry a wrench. Oh no, I think I have the wrench that fits this. because I think it actually is the same thing as the glow plug. I think the glow plug thing that I have fits this, is what I'm trying to say. Well, damn, that sucks. And these are black nut. It's just hard to spot. I was kind of hoping it was going to be blue or something. Maybe in the sun it'd be shiny, but it happens. But the point of today's video was to go ahead and see if these fender liners work, because that's one thing that drove me crazy with this RC, was how much dirt piled up in here. It's way worse than the Mojave, because the Mojave is like a flat chassis, where this is tub chassis, and everything just builds up in here. Literally, like the last time I ran this thing, they had cut the grass, and I had like grass so high you couldn't see the ESC or the motor. It was like ridiculous. Well, everyone, like I said, 100% can recommend these fender liners. They work great, as you can see. Keeps a lot of dirt out. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed watching me lose a tire, show you a good product. If you're not subscribed, I hope you will. You'll join us for more RC vehicle adventures. Check out the links down below. Have your discount codes and ways to help the channel, merchandise, and other affiliate links. Alright, everyone, thanks for watching. I greatly appreciate the support, the likes, the shares, the comments, everything you do to help me keep the channel going. It's greatly appreciated. I have to buy all this stuff. It's not provided for me, so all that really helps me buy these things and keep the channel going. So I greatly appreciate that. So thanks for watching. See you on next.